Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into your Xbox account. Make sure the payment method on file is valid and current. Once done, navigate to the Microsoft Store or the Xbox app and select Game Passcore. This step activates access to the library. You do this now because waiting creates extra steps. Immediate setup links your subscription to your gamer tag. Make sure to review the billing cadence and any promotional pricing so you know when charges start and what to expect month to month. You choose games from the Game Passcore catalog and press Install. Prioritize by size and your network speed. Once installations start, check storage. External drives work fine, but format correctly for Xbox use. Make sure to allow background updates so games stay current. This prevents long waits when you want to play. If you're switching between console and PC, manage your saves via cloud sync so progress remains consistent. These steps streamline play and reduce frustration later. You can now play, launch titles from My Games, and use cloud saves to pick up progress on another device. Once set, make your console the home Xbox if you want to share benefits with family members. This saves purchasing duplicate subscriptions. If games won't launch, check subscription status in account settings and perform a console power cycle. That often clears cached errors. If problems persist, sign out and sign back in, because re-authenticating refreshes permissions and resolves many access issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.